CBS 12 News starts now with breaking news.
Guilty. Tonight, a foster father is taken away from the courtroom in handcuffs after jurors find him guilty of killing a 2-year-old in his care. The murder case shocked the Treasure Coast community 4 years ago.
Tonight, CBS 12's Vincent Crivelli joins us live from the St. Lucie County Courthouse where that verdict was read aloud late tonight. Vince?
That's right, John and Liz. Tonight, the jury found Michael Beer guilty of aggravated manslaughter, but not guilty of child abuse. His defense attorney says that raises questions, and he plans on appealing. The jury deliberated for around 7.5 hours. They reached a decision at 8:45 tonight.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Michael E. Beer, guilty.
The trial focused on how 2-year-old Tristan Adams died from internal injuries. The defense argued it was from CPR compressions. The prosecution argued it was from a punch or kick from Beer.
Obviously, my client's very disappointed in the verdict. We were hoping that he'd be going home today.
Defense attorney Lance Richards says he plans on appealing the case, and the fact the jury found Beer guilty of aggravated manslaughter but not aggravated child abuse raises questions.
The verdict to me doesn't make a lot of sense. I'm not sure how they reached that conclusion because they found him not guilty on one charge but then found him guilty of a lesser on another charge. So I'm not really clear on how they reached that conclusion.
However, the prosecution was happy with the verdict, although the jury didn't find Beer guilty of murder, instead the lesser charge of aggravated manslaughter.
On behalf of the State Attorney's Office, Mr. Bruin and I, we are satisfied. We know that the jury worked really hard and diligently to reach this verdict.
Michael Beer now faces a maximum of 30 years behind bars. His sentencing begins August 30th, and of course, CBS 12 will be there. Live in St. Lucie County, Vincent Crivelli, CBS 12 News.